Hi, hello. Welcome to Shivayaksa YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about NCERT Class 10 Math subject Chapter 4, that is quadratic equations. Exercise 4.3, question number 4. And the question is, the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's is already given in years, 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So in this question, what is given? The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now. 3 years ago and 5 years from now, its reciprocals sum is 1 by 3 given. What we have to find here? We have to find here, find his present age. This is the question. Okay. So now I'll start solution. You can write here solution. Okay. So here we don't know Rahman's present age. Okay. So you can write here, let the Rahman's present age be x years. You can write. Okay. So let the Rahman's present age be x years. Okay, because we don't know his present age, just you can consider here his present age be x years. Okay. Next, 3 years ago. 3 years ago means before 3 years. You can write here before 3 years means what is his age? His age is x minus 3, because if you consider his present age is 10 years. Okay. For example, you can consider his present age is 10 years. Before 3 years means what you will do here? You will subtract. Okay. So similarly, his present age already we consider x years. 3 years ago means just you can subtract 3 from this present age. Okay. So this is the his age before 3 years or 3 years ago. Okay. Similarly, 5 years from now means his present age is x. From now 5 years means you can add here 5 to this. Okay, right? Because he is given 5 years from now. Okay, for example, his present age is x years. 5 years from now means you can add this to 5, then you will get here 15 years. Okay, so I will write here 3 years ago, 3 years ago, Rahman's 3 years ago Rahman's age be x minus 3 years you can write. Okay. So next 5 years from now. So here 5 years from now means you can write here 5 years from now. 5 years from now, Rahman's age will be you can write here x plus 5 years. Okay, so x plus 5 years, right? After that, what is given here? See here, sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Its reciprocal. So its reciprocal is what? So here denominator is 1, right? Its reciprocal means you can write here 1 divided by x minus 3, and its reciprocal is 1 divided by x plus 5. Its sum means just you can add these two. Okay, so its sum is how much given here? 1 by 3 is given. Okay, so you can add these two and you will get here, when you will add these two, then you will get here 1 by 3. Okay, so I will write here according to question, its reciprocal sum is 1 by 3 given. Okay, so that is 1 divided by x minus 3 plus 1 divided by x plus 5, which is equals to 1 by 3. This is given. Okay, so next you can simplify this one, and after that you will get here x and x value. Okay, so you can do here. So this is denominator in this fraction, this is denominator. Okay, it's LCM means you can find these two. Just you can multiply these two, x minus 3 into x plus 5. Okay, this is the LCM. So here what you will do, you can do here, just you can multiply these two and write here, and multiply these two right here. This is very simple. Okay, so 1 into x plus 5, x plus 5 you can write as it is, plus 1 into x minus 3, x minus 3 you can write as it is. Okay, this is very simple. This is the simple trick you can use here. In this case, if you got this type of questions or problems, you can do here. Just you can multiply these two and write in denominator place, and you can multiply these two. Okay, and you can write here this plus you can write as it is, then you can multiply these two, means cross multiplication you can do here, and keep it as it is, equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so I hope you understand. Next, x plus 5 you can write as it is. Next you can bring this outside, that is x minus 3. Okay, so divided by x, you can multiply this x to these two. X into x is x square plus 5 into x 5x. After that you can multiply this minus 3 to these two terms. Minus into plus is minus, 3 into x is 3x, minus into plus is minus, 3 5 is 15, which equals to 1 by 3. You can write as it is. So here 1x and here 1x. X plus x is 2x you will get. Plus 5 minus 3. Plus 5 minus 3 means plus 2 you can write. Okay, so divided by x square you can write as it is, plus 5x minus 3x. Its value is plus 2x, and minus 15 you can write as it is, which equals to 1 by 3. Then you can do a cross multiplication. You can multiply this 2x plus 2 to this 3. Okay, so 3 2 is 6, I will write as it is. So 3 2 is 6, x plus 3 2 is 6, which equals to x square. You can bring this denominator to this side, then this becomes a numerator. Okay, x square into 1 is x square, plus 2x into 1 is 2x, minus 15 into 1 is 50. Okay, so next you can bring these two terms this side, means right hand side you can bring x square plus 2x. So this plus 6x becomes minus 6x, minus 15, and plus 6 becomes minus 6, which equals to this side left hand side nothing is there, means 0 is there. You can write here 0. Okay, so you can write this x square as it is. This is 2x and minus 6x, plus 2 minus 6, plus 2 and minus 6. Okay, so its value is minus 4 you can write. Okay, so minus 4x minus 15 minus 6, this is minus 21. Minus 15 minus 6 becomes minus 21, which equals to 0. Okay, so you got here quadratic equation, right? So after that you can simplify this one, then you will get here x values. Okay, means you can find its roots, right? So I will find its root using factorization method. Okay, so I will write this x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0 this side. Okay, so x square minus 4x minus 21 equal to 0, right? So you can take here x square coefficient, that is 1. Take here x square coefficient and constant term, that is minus 21. Okay, so you can find its product, means coefficient of x square and constant product you can find. That is, you will get here minus 21. This is the product of coefficient of x square and constant. After that you can find its factors. 21 factors are, so 3 and 7. Okay, so you can consider this is minus 7 and this is plus 3. Okay, plus into minus is minus, 7 3 is 21 you will get, right? When you will add these two, then you will get here coefficient of x, that is minus 4, because minus 7 plus 3 its value is minus 4 you will get. Okay, so in place of minus 4x I will write here minus 7x and plus 3x. Okay, So x square you can write as it is. In place of minus 4x you can write 7x plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. Dear students, I hope you understand. Okay, you are understanding this step. Okay, so next I will go to next, or I will move to next step. So in these two, what is common? X is common, remaining is x minus 7 you can write. So here 2 times x are there, 1x you can take common, remaining 1x you can write as it is. This minus you can write as it is in place of this 7x. Okay, so what is common here? X is common, you can write this 7 as it is. Here what is common in these two? 3 is common, remaining x you can write as it is. This minus you can write here. 3 how much is 3 7 ja 21 you can write, which equals to 0 you can write. Next multiply these two. Okay, this and this, minus into minus is plus. What is common in these two? X minus 7 is common, remaining is x plus 3 equal to 0 you can write. Okay, one time you can equate these two 0, after that you can equate this to 0. Okay, so I will equate here x minus 7 equal to 0, right, and x plus 3 equal to 0. Minus 7 I will bring this side, then this becomes plus 7, so x is equals to 7, or you can bring this plus 3 this side, then this becomes minus 3. Okay, you don't consider this one. Okay, because this is negative, and you can consider always this is positive, because age is always will represent in positive. Okay, so that's why you can write here, you can consider x value 7. Okay, so see here what is meant by x? X means Rahman's present age. Okay, so what we have to find in this question? We have to find his present age. Okay, so his present age we consider here, that is x years. Okay, so you can write here, already we got x value, that is 7. Okay, so you can write here, therefore Rahman's present age is 7 years you can write. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you want to check, it means just you can check. After checking you will get whether it is correct or not. Okay, so how you will check whether your answer is correct or not? Just you can substitute this x value or his present age in this equation, or in this equation you can substitute. Okay, so I will substitute here, that is 1 you can write divided by, so okay, x minus 3, x value is 7 minus 3 you can write as it is, so 1 by x minus 3. Okay, 1 you can write as it is, x means 7 minus 3, plus another one is 1 divided by x plus 5, means 7 plus 5, which equals to 1 by 3. Okay, this is given. So 1 write as it is, 7 minus 3 value, 7 minus 3 means you will get here 4, plus 1 divided by 7 plus 5, you will get here 12, which equals to 1 by 3. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 12. What is LCM of these two? LCM of these two is 12. Okay, 4 3 is 12. You can multiply this also by 3. 1 3 is 3 plus 12 means you can multiply this also by 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 by 12, which equals to 1 by 3, because 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So that's why you got here both LCM and both LHS and RHS are equal. So that's why what you got here, this is the correct answer. So dear students, I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.